Everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about the outbound 8% tent, dome tent, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to assemble the tent, how it looks, and I'm gonna do a quick review about this. So let's get started without wasting time. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Please like and share this video as much as you can. Currently I'm in Rushing River Provincial Park in Ontario, and this is how a finished outbound tent would look like. So let's get started, guys. So this is how a tent would look, a finished tent. It shows that an eight person can fit in, and the weight, and you'll pretty much need 2 person to get this tent up. I have I have already opened up this tent, so all the content is out, but you will find a instruction manual in the box or in the carrying bag. So if you flip this around, there will be step-by-step instruction how to install the tent, but let's make it short, guys. So here's how it should be. So there should be two fiberglass pole. They should be equal size. In my case they are gray color, and there would be two black fiberglass pole. One would be the longest, which is C, and the middle one would be the A over here, as you can see. And this is how it will be oriented. So two gray right here, one black in the center, and this is for the top dome area. Okay, and you should get the base first in. So let's get started. I'll show you on the tent. So while installation, the first thing you do is get the base down, and you will have I guess 14 hooks in it. You'll pretty much need a hammer or an X, whatever you have, to nail the pins down onto the ground. So I pinned down 4 corners, one right here, one there, and 2 on the other side to get started with. Then you will need 2 black fiberglass pole, which goes around here, and the other one goes around on the outer part. Now I'll show you where they attach. So if you see carefully, there would be a loop like this, and there would be one pin, and it goes right in here on one end of the pole. The same thing would be on the other side, and there would be 6 in total, 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. Once you get that in, what I did is, once it's flat on the ground, I put this 3 pin in first, and from the other side I just push the fiberglass stick so the dome stands up. And then you take the top dome area, and you just cover the whole tent up. Make sure that the zipper part is facing the entrance, or the zipper part should face the entrance around here. Okay, once that's up, there are hooks. I'll show you those hooks. So these are the hooks. You just attach it to the pin you hammered in the ground, and this holds the dome. So there are about 7 hooks in total. Once you snap the hook on to the main pin, the dome will stand up. This will pretty much cover the entire tent. Now there are threads. If you can see this thread right here, there are 3 short, one on this side, one same thing on the other side, and there would be one around here. Since I have a rock behind, I didn't put it in. And there would be 2 long at the front. So if you come up in the front, you see this long thread. It goes around on the over there, and it attaches to the front 2 pin right there. And here's the zipper. So this is the front porch area where you can enter. So let's enter the tent. Once you enter, there is a window around here, and this is the main entrance door. So I'll open up the door. So once you open up the door, you can see it's nice and big. This is double air mattress. I have it in here, and it's nice and spacious. You should make sure that you have the top dome over there, because there is just a net over here, so the dome will pretty much cover and protect you from rain and wind. Now I'll just go through some of the feature right here. It's pretty big. I would say you should be able to get in more than 8 people, obviously. About 9 depending on the size of the person, but there are a couple of features. So if you look on the corner at the entrance right here, The campsite we booked in does not have an electric outlet over here, but yeah, this is the outlet where you can get a electric plug-in and probably get a light on the top. There is an attachment over there, and there are two side pockets right there, if you can see on the corner there and corner here. They are pretty much for cell phone. You can put your cell phone in there and other couple of stuff. I'm planning to get another mattress just around here so it can fit 4 people. But that's all about the tent. It's a pretty good tent. I didn't really find any video of assembly on YouTube, so I'm putting this in. I hope this video helps you guys. But it's very simple process. Just make sure you start right, get the base in here, in the base in first. Make sure you don't mess up the fiberglass pole. There should be 2 poles which goes on the side, one here and one here, one long pole which will go here, and as I showed in the first diagram, the longest pole will go on the dome area. Okay, and everything is right. Now to disassemble this tent, all you gotta do is take all the hooks off, take all the fiberglass off, so the whole tent will collapse down, and all you gotta do is roll. The bag is already provided. You can fold it up and put it in the bag. So there you go. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and please like and share this video. Thanks. Peace out.